In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email workflow in Zoho Bookings. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to set up automated emails that go out to your customers at the right time without you having to send anything manually. First, open your browser and go to Zoho Bookings, then log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're on the main dashboard, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, because we're going to navigate to a specific section. Look for the area where your settings, schedules, and automation tools are listed. In that area, you should see an option called Email Workflows. Click on Email Workflows. This section is where all of your existing automated email processes live. If you've never created one before, this page may be empty, and that's completely fine. If you already have a few workflows, you'll see them listed here, and you can refer back to them later for reference or reuse. Next, look for a button or link that says New Workflow and click on it. This is the starting point for creating a brand new email automation. When you click New Workflow, Zoho Bookings will open a setup screen where you'll define what the workflow is for and when it should run. Here, you'll usually be asked to select an existing workflow template or create a new one from scratch. If you see a template that closely matches what you want, like appointment confirmations or reminders, you can select that to save time. If not, choose the option to create a new workflow. Creating one from scratch gives you full control over the trigger, the email content, and who receives it. Once you've selected or created your new workflow, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Zoho Bookings will guide you step by step. Typically, you'll choose the event that triggers the email, such as when a booking is created, rescheduled, or cancelled. Then you'll define the recipients, like the customer, the staff member, or both. After that, you'll set the timing, for example, sending the email immediately, a few hours before an appointment, or after it ends. You'll also be able to customize the subject line and email body. Use clear, friendly language, and make sure to include important details like date, time, location, and any instructions the customer needs to know. When everything looks good, save the workflow and make sure it's enabled. That's it. You've now created an email workflow in Zoho Bookings that will run automatically and keep your clients informed.